Next, we are going to look at another method to solve quadratic equation, which is called the completing the square method. Now let's look at this equation. How do we solve it to find the value of x? First, we can take the square root of both sides. Square root of square, we get x minus 3. And then here it is plus or minus. After that, we are going to move this one to the right hand side. And we get the answer. Square root of 5 plus 3, or the negative square root of 5 plus 3. Now, let's look at this one. Can we use this method to solve this quadratic equation? Well, we cannot factorize this one to become like this. But then, there is something that we can do. We can break up this one into plus 9 and minus 2. 9 minus 2, we get back 7. And now, we can factorize this one. This is x plus 3 squared. And we move this negative 2 to the right hand side. And then the steps is going to be the same as this one. We take the square root of both sides. Here we get x plus 3. Over here, square root of 2 plus minus. And lastly, we move this one to the right hand side. Minus 3. This is the basic idea of completing the square method. See, we get the square here. Let's look at this. These are we expand them and we get note that 4 is 2 times of 2 here. 6 is 2 times of 3 here. 10 is 2 times of 5 here. And this 4 is 2 square. Can be written as 4 over 2 square. This 9 is 3 square. Can be written as 6 over 2 square. This 25 is 5 square. Can be written as 10 over 2 square. Let's look back at this equation again. We can move this 7 to the right hand side first. And then we want to find what's the number there that we must add so that we get a square. From here, we can see that we can add 3 square. We get this 3 by dividing 6 by 2. We also do that to the right hand side. Now this one can be factorized as x plus 3 squared. And the right hand side we get 2. And then the rest is the same.